everybody feeling after the hurricane? Huh? Yeah, I know. Getting some of that sun. Me too. Me too. Right? I'm slowly adding in all of the ingredients. And guess what the special ingredient is? It's this beautiful bok choy. Look how pretty it is. It's gonna be so delicious. Putting in a new faux fireplace, and it was black, but I want it white to match these shelves on either side, so working on that now. Here's the progress so far. It's already looking great. I'm just finishing up my latest DIY project, which is this gorgeous fireplace here that I painted white. It was black, and now I just love it. And I gotta get it in place and decorate, and it's gonna look so gorgeous. Welcome to Vibes Chateau. Thank you. Everything I was able to get. Tomatoes, organic strawberries, organic raspberries, vegan chocolate chip cookies, tagine, crispy jalapenos, water. We've got organic red pepper, jalapeno, red onion, potatoes, kale, lemon, garlic, avocados, celery, green onion, ginger, cilantro, green pepper, cucumber, and almond milk.
We're gonna check it out, show you people how it looks. How he's living like a little king, you know, king from Sierra Leone.
Does anyone else just have a random piece of hair that likes to just do its own thing? I put it back and then it just ends up falling forward again. I even have a little
a little clippy here to like hold it while it's drying, but it doesn't want to stay in place.
Just making some lentils and quinoa. I'm gonna add some veggies. It's gonna be a delicious dinner. So cozy. Looking absolutely perfect. Here are the remaining ingredients. All of these delicious veggies: tomato, cilantro, cucumber, jalapeno, kale, green onion, green peppers, purple onion, ginger.
Right now it's Journey with Open Arms.
I'm from Grand Island, Nebraska. Now, does that make you feel better? You know the address for Mom's trailer park you also?
No, it's not who you want me to think you are. Who are you?
I am Margot.
So there's been an entire massacre on the side of my car here. It's pretty terrible. I don't know what beast laid this, but yeah. Okay. All right, let's get the day started. This is just terrible. This is our resident bee, Mr. Bumbles. And this is the drink that I put out for Mr. Bumbles. And Mr. Bumbles likes it. You can tell by his bum bum. Bum 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 buzz. Bum 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 buzz. Bum 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 buzz. Bum 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 bum. Oh yeah. So good. I just got these key lime dairy-free frozen desserts, and I'm gonna try these. They looked really interesting. So let's see. So they're individually wrapped. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I could see myself styling this. Oops. I was just thinking about something. Sometimes I'll go to a restaurant with friends and they won't really have anything on the menu that I can order. There might be a salad or Brussels sprouts, something like that. Usually it's side dishes. So then when I go to place my order, they'll say, "Oh, is that just your appetizer?" And I'll say, "Nope, that's my order." "Oh, well, do you want it to come out with everyone else's?" "Yes." "Oh, well, is that all you're going to get?" "Yes." I even had one server walk away and say, "Well, that's not going to do anything for me." I guess meaning that they're not going to get a good tip because maybe it's not going to be a lot, because if you get a full dinner, it's more expensive. And guess what? If you had more options on the menu, guess who would get a full dinner? A lot more people. Some people don't consume meat. Some people don't consume dairy. Sometimes it's for personal reasons. Sometimes it's for health reasons. Doesn't really matter the reason, but you shouldn't get treated differently because of your diet. It's just time that restaurants understand that groups of people are going to come in that have different dietary restrictions and preferences. Why don't you make 2 menus? Or why don't you have an all-inclusive menu? Why don't you have just as many vegetarian options as you do meat options? Every restaurant I go to, it's seafood, steak, pork, chicken, maybe a salad. And the salad usually has cheese and bacon. Now, some would say, well, then you need to go to more vegan restaurants. Okay. Guess how many vegan restaurants there are? And when you're with a group who includes mostly non-vegans, yeah, rant over. This is the breakfast. We've got a iced chai latte and blueberry muffin, walnuts, raspberries. Let's eat.
Our next category is tech, so all our vlogs are
later on in the video, because today we are very time sensitive. Less than a cheese board. One present out this Christmas, which was an absolute result. That's my
Just made avocado toast, and now I'm pouring hot water in this ginger lemon tea. So good for if you're feeling a bit under the weather, or, you just want to feel cozy. Really good for you.